what is your name?
Annie.
Annie, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Aw, are you nervous that you're here?
A little bit, yeah.
I love how you look. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Are you Australian?
Yes, I am.
That's a long journey.
Yeah.
Did you bring your family with you?
Yes. Down there.
Hello.
Well, we're very excited that you're here. What are you going to do today?
I'm going to be singing.
So how long you've been doing this?
Since I was about 7 years old.
Okay, so let's see what you can do. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Go, Annie.
Come on, baby girl.
Come on, you can do it.
So cute.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you sucked me deep when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again.
Bravo, Annie. That was so beautiful.
Thank you.
The song was amazing. I loved it. I thought you were so confident, and I think this is what you're meant to do in your life. Howdy, what do you think?
Howdy to you.
His name is now Howdy.
Yes.
Howdy. Combination. That's Dance Monkey, right? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
You're a beautiful little dance monkey. You are amazing. I'm telling you that, well, you are. It's just so stunning watching you, listening to you. You're a great performer. You sound great. You're a star, and the world now knows you.
Thank you.
Simon,
I can tell how much you love that song. And I like a little twist on it. This is what, a 14, 15-hour journey from where you came from?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big deal. But while you were up there, your confidence was actually quite amazing.
amazing.
Thank you.
That was a great audition. Well done.
Well, I think we're ready to vote. I'm gonna give you the first yes.
Thank you.
Howdy.
I wanted to also give you your first yes, but that's taken, so this will be your second.
Thank you.
Simon.
Which means it leaves me to give you your third yes.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating thanks to all the rumors you be